I saw this and I was like, ooh, this definitely screamed luxury. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria. I make tons of content centered around beauty. I sprinkle a little bit of wellness in there every now and then when I share stories about my healing journey. So if you are interested in any of that, make sure you are subscribed to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. I would love to have you. Today's video is a little bit different from the typical content here on my channel. It's not even fair to say that it's different because I really haven't niched down. I kind of just post what I want to, but I love looking good, and part of looking good is having great outfits to put together. I recently got a bunch of stuff from Amazon, so today we are doing an Amazon fashion haul. It's a little mix of everything, so I will have everything that I show here in this video linked down in the description box below, but you can also check out my Amazon storefront for all of the items and some of my other Amazon items that I have loved and tried. Alright, so here is everything that I have gotten so far. So we're going to open up these packages and try everything on. Also, before I get started, the shapewear that I have on snatched. This is also from Amazon, so if you're interested in trying it out, I will leave this linked down in the description box as well, but it is already on my Amazon storefront. All right, so let me get the first thing. I found this, not two-piece, but this pajama set on Amazon. It has 2 sets of satin pajamas. If you didn't know, this brand specifically has a really great loungewear and sleepwear on Amazon. I already have a bunch of pajamas from them, but I recently did some cleaning out in my closet and I discovered that most of the pajamas I had were no longer conducive to my lifestyle, which is why I typically do a closet clean out. So I needed some more pajamas, some more sort of luxury feel, very like grown woman pajamas, and I love that this came as a set of 2. I got the champagne and the light blue. Being that I have several of their pajamas, I know how to size them, and if you're going to get the satin PJs, I would say size up. Especially if you are big in the hips like me, because they come in a set. So if you are small on top and bigger on bottom, I would just go with the bigger size, which is what I do. I have mine in a size medium, and I will leave my measurements up here on the screen just for reference. Oh, I love this color. So that's the blue one. Now let me show you the champagne. Alright, so here is the champagne. I definitely love this color. They even match my slippers. And the waist on these are elastic, so you do have a room, and they're nice and breathable, not overly tight. I love the satin pajamas. They definitely give luxury vibes. And who doesn't love a 2-for-1? I also got this really cute satin striped pajama set from Amazon. I saw this and I was like, ooh, this definitely screamed luxury. And this one is a long sleeve set. I love this set so much. And the pants on this one does come with the drawstrings. Okay, so I've been really into my like feminine era, being more soft. As you all know, or maybe you don't know, I did do a whole video on it. I have done my color analysis, and navy blue is one of my base colors. It looks great on me. Also, I've done my kid test analysis, and I am a dramatic romantic. So satin is a great fabric for romantic style outfits. So I love satin and I love navy. I got me a navy blue satin skirt. Now I do have this skirt from this brand. What brand is it? Ziago, I think it's called. I do have this skirt from this brand, but I have it in a different color. And I got that skirt before I did my color analysis. And that skirt, even though I love it, the color is not for me. But this, look at this color. Look how good this color looks on me. And I haven't even put it on yet. It does come with an elastic waist and a zipper on the side. Yeah, this skirt is everything I thought it would be. This is why it's important to do your color analysis and to really learn and understand your body before you just go out splurging on clothes. And sticking with the color family, I have this blouse. It's kind of like a navy blue and like gold. Now, pattern is something that I've been staying away from because for me it's like a hit or miss. But I saw this and I was like, well, it's kind of got all the right colors. It's got that navy, it's got some deep browns, it's got the white, so let's see. This color is actually, this is nice. And I love the way that it's fitted actually in the sleeves. And obviously you can button it all the way up, but you know, I like a little bit of cleavage. This is the blouse. Let me show you the whole thing. Now obviously I wouldn't wear it like this because I'm short and this just makes me look even shorter. But I would wear it tucked in like that. And even this together is a nice outfit. I did not plan that at all. But this even looks nice. Alright, so I don't exactly remember what this next item is. I think it's just a basic t-shirt because I actually don't have many of those. Oh no, this is a long sleeve tee. This is not basic at all. Well, technically it would make a great base, like a basic because it's all white. But it is an asymmetrical long sleeve top. Now, being that I have wider hips, I am triangular, pear-shaped, however you want to call it, bottom heavy. Wearing tops that are asymmetrical or have some sort of eye-catching piece to them actually draws more attention away from my bottom half. So I've been looking for more asymmetrical tops with more detail, like this one. I can't remember which side it's supposed to be on. It also works off the shoulder. This is really cute. I think it's supposed to be like that because of the sleeves. Can you see how that like really takes the attention away from my hips and my bottom half? And what I love about this, first of all, this fabric is really soft. But what I love about this is the ruching on the side. It really like snatches the waist in. Even though my waist isn't that much snatching, but it's still nice. And I love that the sleeves are long. You guys, I have long arms. I have long limbs in general. But I can hardly ever find tops or bottoms that fully cover my arms and legs. But this has plenty of fabric. And I love that. Okay, so this next top, I actually got quite a few tops, so bear with me. I was in need of tops. Notice a lot of my tops didn't flatter my body the way that I wanted them to, so I did stock up on tops. This one is sort of like a, it's not a turtleneck, it's a mock neck, and look at this color on me. But like I mentioned with the last top, whenever you are bottom heavy, you want to sort of hide or conceal that. The best way to do it is with a top that sort of draws more attention to the eye. And mock necks and turtlenecks are a great way to do that. The fabric on this is so soft. I do think the neckline could be a little bit tighter. It's giving worn out sweater. But maybe some extra time in the dryer and it'll shrink a little bit. And I actually love the length, but of course I would end up wearing this like tucked into something like that. Here we go. Now I think I may have either ordered the same thing twice or they mistakenly sent me the same thing twice. These both have the same label on them. They came with a different receipts. The receipts don't say the same thing. I may have to return one of these. So this is a sweater and this is also a sweater in the exact same colors. Now I'm just gonna try on one. I think that was just a mistake there. But this again falls into that category of statement tops that sort of draw the eye away from my hips. So this is a mock neck sweater vest. I have it in a size medium, but I probably could have gotten a size small. It's actually definitely a little loose, especially here in the arm area. But I do love the style of it. It feels so chic. It's actually pretty long. But if I'm being honest, most tops are actually pretty long on me because I do have a short torso. But yeah, I definitely love the style of it. Now, I'm not going to try on the other sweater, but let's see what else we have. Okay, so I have another sweater here. It is fall, okay, and I'm a cold girl, so it makes sense I got all these sweaters. This one is a v-neck long sleeve, and their sweaters are actually surprisingly very soft, especially for the price. Oh, yes. Yes. I love this sweater. Now, I need this in more colors. Every deep winter color. I would say every color, but no, I just need my colors. I love this sweater. First of all, it completely fits my arm. It goes all the way down. The fabric is so soft and stretchy. I love the collar on it. It's very chic and a little professional. It's definitely giving grown woman. And here's the length on it. Again, I have a shorter torso, so these shirts may look really long on me, but that's just because my torso is like 12 inches long. Maybe even shorter than that. But yeah, I don't even want to take this off, and it feels so warm and soft. You know how sometimes you buy really cheap sweaters just because you have to, and they get like really itchy and like the fabric just does not go well with your skin. It's itchy, it's drying, it's like scratchy. This feels so good. It feels, how do I explain it, like cottony, like that fresh cotton. If you ever touch fresh cotton, how soft and fluffy it feels, that's how this sweater feels. Okay, we are almost done here. I have this blouse from, I think it's the same brand as the other ones. I am the kind of person that once I find a brand and I like their stuff, I tend to stick with them because I don't want to take no chances on anybody else. But I have this blouse. It's gray and white. It's a little oversized. I got it because I love that it has these puffed sleeves, or shoulders I should say. I don't remember what size I got this in. I think I got it in a small, but it still feels a little big. But then again, it is oversized, so that makes sense. Let me button it up. And you can of course button it up all the way up here. I like a little bit of something. I like this. I definitely like the stripes, and my favorite thing about it is the sleeves. I love the puff sleeves. It definitely feels both romantic and chic at the same time. That's what I was going for. Now, I will say that this fabric does feel like very thin. It feels like paper almost, which is, I don't know. I guess it can be good. I'm not gonna overthink it. It could possibly be warm. You would definitely have to layer it. I did buy it for the fall and winter seasons, but this is definitely something you would have to layer with. But with that being said, it would be great for the spring and summer seasons because it is so thin and light. And it looks really long on me. I have a short torso. We're gonna disregard that. But this is how it looks. And of course, being me, when I wear it, I would wear it tucked in. I don't like wearing tops like this because it's just gonna make me look super short and stumpy. So I would of course wear it like this. But okay, I have one more item and I saved it for last because I'm excited about this one. I love the color and it's 100% my style. I knew this was gonna look good on me, so if it don't, it's gonna be a problem. Now, this right here is a satin gown, and I love this hot pink fuchsia color. It is one of the colors on my color palette. Now, I have several satin gowns already, but I do not have any in this color. I saw it in this color and I was like, I gotta have it. Now, the ones that I already have are from Shein, and even though they were inexpensive, they actually are very good quality. The fabric is pretty thick and you don't have to worry about like stuff showing. Now, this one, I bought this on Amazon. It is advertised as a nightgown or a night slip, which I guess you could wear these to bed, but I feel like that's a little extra. I wouldn't do that. This, however, for me, I think this would make a really great night out dress. But again, you can wear it as a nightgown as well. Now, obviously, I wouldn't wear it with this shapewear, but I'm not gonna say that. Yeah, that's what that looks like. It does come with this waist tie. You can use it to tie your waist. I don't love that, so I'm just gonna probably throw that in the trash. But yeah, I love this, and I love this color. This color looks so phenomenal on me. But yeah, that is everything that I have, right? Yes, that is just everything that I have recently gotten from Amazon. I am thrilled with everything. There's probably just the one thing that I will return that they accidentally sent me twice of. But other than that, I am ecstatic with the new items that I have from Amazon. I will say that knowing yourself, knowing your color analysis, your body type, and your body shape definitely plays a major role in whether or not you feel good in the clothes that you buy. A lot of the time we just buy things on impulse because it looks good on the model or it looks good on the website. But when you really know yourself, like when you really take the time to get to know yourself, knowing what's gonna actually look good on you, it's a lot easier to shop, especially online. And online shopping in itself can be very difficult, but it is a lot easier when you know yourself and you know what looks good on you. And with that being said, let me remind you guys that I do have a course available on my website, soulfulshenanigans.com. If you are interested in learning how to do your own color analysis, how to find your body type, how to do the kid test, which is actually pretty difficult. I did do it myself several times. If you're interested in basically just learning more about how to style your body and how to look your best, I would encourage you to head over to my website and check out the course that I've created for you. It's called the Style Playbook. It has all of the information that you need to know in order to craft your dream wardrobe, in order for you to look and really feel your best in whatever you wear. I also have a little segment in there that sort of teaches you how to do the basics for makeup. Even if you're not a makeup wearer, I think it's important to at least know the basics, especially for just in case you ever have a special event. Now, I included everything that you need to know, everything that I have learned about styling and looking my best. All of it is packed into this course. It is available on my website, so if you're interested in that, definitely go ahead and check that out. That is all that I have for you today in this video. Again, everything will be linked down in the description box below and also on my Amazon storefront. And if you are interested in checking out some of the other items that I have purchased from Amazon or just tried and loved, everything is on my Amazon storefront. You should definitely follow me on there. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel, and I'll see you in the next video.